Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 12th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we'll be talking about comments in HTML. Now those of you who've programmed in other languages would be knowing how useful comments are. So if you're into the business of writing code and sharing it with people, then commenting your code is extremely important because if you do something and if you do it in a certain way, then you should explain why you've done it in that way so that it's easier for other people to just read your code and understand what's going on, right? And even if you visit your own code 6 months later, sometimes if you have a long and complicated program, it's hard for you to figure out why you've done certain things in certain ways. And in those situations, if you have your code well commented, then it's much easier to make sense of things. So over here I've got a very simple HTML file, and it has a title comments in HTML. In the body section I just have one paragraph of text which has the text: I am a very lazy person, I don't do any work and just keep eating junk food all day long. And this is me, or this was me till a few weeks ago actually. So anyway, so the file in in Google Chrome looks like this. Obviously it doesn't do anything fancy, it's just got one paragraph of text. Right now let's say I want to add a comment here. And comments, those of you who haven't programmed in other languages, for those guys, comments are pieces of text that you insert in your HTML file, and those pieces of text are not displayed when you open your files in any web browser, and the web browser just ignores those pieces of text. So you can type in anything that you want as long as you're not violating the rules of commenting in HTML, right? So let me tell you what the rules are. Firstly, you get in your opening angular bracket or the less than symbol, right? And then you get in the exclamation symbol, and then you type in 2 hyphens, right? So this is the way you begin comments in HTML. I know those of you who've programmed in, let's say, C, this is actually a very long process because you need 4 characters for it. C, you just need 2 characters. But anyway, this is how you start comments in HTML. So you require 4 characters, and then you can type in anything that you want to type in. So let's say I want to type in this is a comment, and then I can also take it on the next line, so your comment can span multiple lines. This is a comment, it won't do anything to my web page, right? Let's say I want to have this as my comment. Now I want to close it. So the way you close your comment is you get in those 2 hyphens again, and then you just get in your closing angular bracket without getting in the exclamation symbol over here, right? So this sequence is not the same as this sequence. Over here you have the exclamation symbol, and over here you don't have the exclamation symbol. You just have the 2 hyphens and the closing angular bracket or the greater than symbol, and over here you have the less than symbol and the exclamation symbol, and then you have the 2 hyphens, right? So as soon as I get this closing angular bracket, you would see that the text editor restores the color of all the tags in the text, and earlier it was all light green because it assumed that all the following text was part of the comment. So I'll save this file now, and I'll go to my web browser, I'll refresh it, and I see that nothing has changed, right? So Google Chrome has done absolutely nothing with my comment, and that's what I was expecting. So that's it for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video, in which we'll discuss more HTML tags, more features, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have doubts, you can obviously comment, or you can send me messages on YouTube or on Facebook or Google Plus. And I also have a Twitter profile now, so you can also catch me there if you want to. And see you in the next video. Till then, take care.